Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to delete an account in Zoho CRM via Node.js API. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. We have created this account. We have done with the fetch all accounts. We have done with the updating, and then we are going to go with the delete now. So I'm going to delete this account ID. Okay, so currently if I just reload this, that means the account there. If I delete it, it will come with like this is the, this cannot be deleted because it's already deleted, right? So let's go with this delete in account and let's see what will happen. So here the account we have updated. Now I'm going to delete that account. Okay, just call this function with delete one with the same ID. Okay, so here we go with this and make this function change this with this only. Here what we are trying to do is just we have to send the count ID with the params IDs, multiple IDs you can add it, and the access token, and the API is delete with CRM v2 accounts. Okay, account deleted. Here we have to pass the account ID like this. We have copied this. Okay, this is account ID. Okay, now we are going to run the server. Let's see. Deleted account. Let's have a look. So here we have this. The account has been deleted. If I go to the recycle bin, my 100 million motivation media private limited is there. Okay, you can restore it, right? So this is how you can delete an account in the Zoho CRM via Node.js API. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.